Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Blondie. Today I'm going to be making a very delicious garbanzo bean salad. This is full of protein and nutrients and it's very refreshing. I just love this salad, especially in this heat I'm dealing with over here. This is just like very refreshing and it fills you up because it has a lot of protein. So please give this recipe a try. So to get started, I'm going to be using 2 cans of these garbanzo beans. So basically I just opened the can and rinsed them because it has like a kind of like a sauce over it. Not really a sauce, I don't know what to call it, but it's like sticky and gooey. So I rinse it till they're clean and then pat them dry. Okay, I'm also going to be using some feta cheese, some fresh mint chopped up, some extra virgin olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, some red onion, these are the garbanzo beans, some salt and pepper, 1 organic red bell pepper. I only use organic bell peppers because these have a lot of pesticides if you just buy the regular ones. These are actually really pricey now. It's like crazy. They're like $2.50 for like a small bell pepper, but it's full of nutrition. Here's the fresh mint that I'm using. Some apple cider vinegar I already have poured here, and the juice of 1 lemon. And these are the greenhouse tomatoes sliced. Okay, so to get started, first I'm going to go ahead and make our dressing. So I'm going to take some olive oil, and I will put all of the measurements below in the description box. Next to that, I'm going to go ahead and add some fresh lemon juice, our extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add some honey, like that, and I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and some pepper, just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and whisk this together. It's really delicious and flavorful and tangy and refreshing. So everything that I'm going for, it has. Okay. So this is just like something so simple to throw together, like if you need to take to work and you don't want to have anything like heavy that's just going to tire you after. This is like perfect. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and add our garbanzo beans, like that. To that, I'm going to go ahead and add in our fresh cucumber. I just love cucumber, especially in the summer. I'm going to go ahead and add our fresh greenhouse tomatoes. And I love red onion. Just love red onion. So there we go with that. And then our bell pepper. It's like really, this dish is really flavorful. And then some feta cheese. I wasn't too crazy about feta cheese, but it just kind of grew on me. And then some fresh mint. And the mint is so fragrant and just delicious. It just really adds to this dish. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it up. This is like the biggest bowl I could find. I don't know where all my bowls went. So, oops. So now I'm having to deal with this. And then we're just gonna pour our dressing over, just like that. See how fast that was? The hardest part of this dish is just like slicing all your ingredients. But this is like perfect. And this, like, what I like to do is cover it with like some cellophane and refrigerate it for a few hours, because the longer the better. And this will keep for several days, but it's not going to last that long, I can guarantee it. My daughter just loves this. Like, she loves all of like the tomatoes and the cucumbers, the garbanzos. There's nothing that girl won't eat. Even onions, as little as she is, she loves onions. It's very funny. Alrighty, so there you go. It's a beautiful presentation. Look at that. Full of color. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. And again, I will put all of the measurements down below in the description box. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.